I'm going to show you how to cancel YouTube subscription on Android. So to get started, first open up your YouTube app on Android device. Once you are in, looking for your profile icon in the bottom right corner. That's your gateway to managing your subscriptions. Give that profile icon a tap and you will be taken to your account settings. In the top right corner, there's a little J icon. That's your ticket to the settings menu. Go ahead and click on it. Now within the settings menu, look for the purchase and membership option. It's right there. Wait for you. Once you have found it, go ahead and click on it. All see a page with various options. But what we're interested in today's learn more. Give it a tap and you will be taken to the next crucial step. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen and there you will find the key to cancelling your subscription. That's how can I cancel my subscription. And you are on your way to ending your YouTube subscription.